Alright, so I'm just gonna show you real quick how to add the signature, this HTML signature, to your personal mail. So you're gonna go up here and click in Outlook, click File, go down to Options, and then you're gonna go to Mail, and then you see this signature thing. First, you're gonna hold the Control button on your keyboard on the far left, and then left click, and it's gonna open up this folder here on PC, and then you're going to take the HTML file that I provided to you, which is probably in your downloads folder, or I guess the HTML file, and you're just going to drag and drop it in here. You can also just copy and paste it in there. And so now that it's in there, you can go ahead and close these puppies out, and you can open this, which is with a regular click, open signatures, and now you should see these two signatures here, and so you can edit them to be your name here, and however, if you want the capitalization to be there as well. I'm not sure if you need to change the office address or not, and then your phone number, and you can also add, like, I think some people have like a daytime phone here, and you can add that personally there, and then just bold this. And yeah, so this is using Courier New, and make sure that you set these to the proper. So you want to have this one be your reply for, yeah, see, like this. Just make sure it's set properly. And that's it. Cool. Thanks for tuning in.